If you want to use Free Download Manager in Firefox, this video will show you exactly how to set it up in just a few easy steps. This is a great way to make your downloads faster and more organized right from your browser. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the menu button. This is the three-line menu icon that gives you access to your browser settings and tools. From the menu, click Extensions and Themes. This will open the Firefox Add-ons page where you can search for browser extensions. On this page, click the search box for extensions. Now type FDM into the search field and press Enter. Firefox will show you a list of results related to Free Download Manager. Look for the extension called Download with Free Download Manager. This is the correct one you want to install. Once you find it, click on Download with Free Download Manager to open its details page. On the extension page, you will see an Add to Firefox button. Click Add to Firefox to begin the installation process. Firefox may ask for permission to install the extension and access certain browser features. Carefully review the prompt, then click Add it to confirm. After that, Firefox will install the extension automatically. In just a moment, the Free Download Manager browser extension will be added to your browser and ready to use. Once the installation is complete, you can start using it to send downloads directly to Free Download Manager from Firefox. This makes it easier to manage large files, pause downloads, and organize everything in one place. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.